How do you make a right-hand turn? Literally, I'm looking through my driver's side window. I can turn on red. There are no signs. It's just a double turn. So I want to turn in my appropriate lane. I don't want to turn in this first lane because this first lane, I'll have to make a right turn. Don't run yellow lights. On your DMV test or road test, if you run a yellow light, you potentially could fail. Build good habits. Also, I did not slam my brakes either. So there's a difference. So we're just looking. Also, this turn that is to the left of me, this is a really confusing turn. I've seen a lot of people get tickets. You have to stop. You can't proceed through to go straight across on a red. Also, traffic yielding, making a right turn, must yield to that traffic. So I'm scanning, I'm looking, I'm taking my time. And in morning rush hour like this, it's very confusing. It's low light. As soon as it's daylight, DMV testers or road testers can conduct tests. So you want to keep your space. You want to see the rear of the tires on the ground. If you can't see the rear of the tires on the ground, you are too close. If you get rear-ended, you'll have the first collision. And if you're too close, you have the secondary collision. Keep space. If you've seen my content, you've seen me have plenty of space. So let's review. Have space, take your time, check your mirror, turn signal and blind spot. I'm getting over. And if you felt this brought you value, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, Driving with the Myles. God bless you. Have a happy 2021.